Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. And this unit is a warranty return. Customer said that the 8-track deck was not working. It wouldn't even switch away from the radio. I did find a failure in the tape in switch, so I replaced that switch. When I first put a tape in there, it played just fine. And then the first few times I tried it played just fine. But then I noticed that once in a while when I put a tape in, it would wait a couple seconds to start playing, so that means the tape in switch was not making really good contact. So not only did I replace the switch, I also hooked it in parallel with another switch that selects between the radio and tape on the audio side, so that if that new switch ever fails, we've got another switch to back it up. So no matter what we do, it'll still make the connection. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm not going to go through all the radio stuff because the customer just returned it for the 8-track problem. So just going to make sure the radio still works.
They're ready to help you look your best. Visit gentlemanjvsbarbershop.com and book your...
And one thing, too, when you're inserting a tape, I've noticed some videos from customers who show me how they're inserting a tape. They generally use one hand, and it's kind of a careless thing. It's really best to use two hands when pushing the tape in, pressing more on the right side than the left side. So let's try that.
Is to learn a new language? Babbel makes it easy. In just 15 minutes a day.
End of the song there. Check our head alignment. Good. Wait for the next song to start.
The tear I cried was in Wonderland.
Okay, pull the tape and the radio comes back. Alrighty, so that takes care of that. It's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And off that website, off the homepage, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is for. It has all my options, prices, including options for turn times. It's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone with each new customer, which keeps me on the bench where the work actually gets done. I don't get anything done on the phone. So please do that research. After that, I'm happy to talk to you. Thanks so much for watching, listening. Thank you, James, for your business, and I apologize for the fact that you had to return it, and we'll see you guys next time.